Hello, everyone. Welcome aboard, and thank you for accompanying me to the magical city of Istanbul. Let's enjoy the flight, watch movies, take a nap, and enjoy on flight food and drinks. Enjoy your flight and the aerial views of beautiful Istanbul. I will see you again soon after landing. Here we go. Perfect landing. Welcome to Istanbul. Hello once again. So let's stick together, and together we will go through the process of landing in Istanbul and all the way to the taxi stands. Istanbul is one of the largest airports in the world. It started its operation in 2019 after they moved from the old Ataturk airport. So this is the new airport, and this was nominated the second best airport in the world. So here we will explore the terminals, shopping, food, and other world-class facilities that Istanbul Airport has to offer, and then we will head towards exit. We will go through immigration process. Oh, just keep your passports ready, please. So once dealing with immigration, we will head towards baggage claim to pick up our luggage and then go through customs together. I'm hoping you all packed your bags yourself and did not accept anything or luggage from anyone that you did not thoroughly check. Once done with Turkish customs, we will head towards main arrival hall and then to our taxis. I will suggest to watch the full video to understand the process. How does it work? Going through immigration, baggage claim, and customs. I always enjoy my stay at Istanbul Airport. Either I am taking a connecting flight from here or heading to Istanbul or Turkey, other cities of Turkey. No doubt this is one of my most favorite airports in the world. Very clean. Lots and lots of shopping options. Branded stores. You got Louis Vuitton, Prada. Well, you name it, you got it here. Also, there are very budget-friendly shopping options here as well. I also always enjoy the food. Go to the food court, enjoy my kebabs, pide, Turkish sweets, browsing through the duty-free shops. We will spend some time here, go through the terminals, check out these stores, food options. It has quite a few huge, like this one, duty-free shops. Tons and tons of fragrances. You name it and you will find it here. Cosmetics. Candies and sweets. more fragrances. My wife loved to spend her time on this airport. We usually, whenever we travel over to Pakistan, we have like 5 hours layover time. And for some reason, these 4 or 5 hours are not enough for her. This section is all drinks, liquor, whiskeys, vodka, stuff like that, for the people who are into this stuff or who are allowed to drink. I am not. So this doesn't appeal me, but I just had to show this. This is a very budget-friendly area. The good thing about this airport is that it does not feel congested, does not feel crowded. Here you can get your free Wi-Fi. You will have to scan your boarding card and you get your free Wi-Fi code, and you can connect to the airport Wi-Fi here. I got Shake Shack. Some snacks options. Hello, how are you? More food, sandwiches, pizza, cold cuts. Honestly, I like the other food court area where they have their restaurants and stuff. During my meal, I did not want to make a video or anything. I was just concentrating and enjoying my food. So I didn't get that. Sorry for that. So once we are done with that, now we are heading towards the exit. Oh, this long line that we see, that is for immigration. I hope it's not going to take that long. No, it's not too bad. It's going pretty fast. Actually, I thought it's going to take long. I will have to yeah, these are all the immigration officers. We are done with that. We're gonna head towards the baggage claim, collect our luggage. Watch. This down below is all the baggage claim area. There is another huge duty-free shop here. So if you missed that one on the terminal, or you did not go to the terminal, you came straight here, you can shop from this duty-free shop. This board has all the flights and where you can find your luggage. The flight numbers, the carousel, status and everything. Let's go get the luggage, and then we are gonna go through customs. Yeah, I don't want to film these officers. So got my luggage. Gonna go through customs now. They have all these big scanners here. You just put your luggage. They are going to scan it. And if you're clear, you're on your way up. So if there is anything that is suspicious, they may ask you to open up your bag and they will check it. There we go. Entering the main arrival area. I always love arrival areas, and even just watch people here, the way they greet their loved ones, to see their excitements when kids are seeing their parents and parents are seeing their kids, siblings, friends. This is a happy place, completely opposite to the departure area. Yep. Welcome to Istanbul. Oh, yeah, that's... Here we are. Here they have a taxi stand, a car rental terminals, parking area. This up front is a huge parking garage. We're gonna get our taxi from here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy travels, and if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe, press the like button, and check my other videos. See you next time. Take care.